I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Guess what? We're doing another hot potato Happy Mail. If you don't know what it is, it's something we have created at Dolls Rescue, and it's a fun thing because I would love to send a Happy Mail to each and every one of my subscribers. It's just impossible. I would like to send it just to all of my subscribers that frequently leave comments on my videos. It's impossible, but I can do this. Darren and I talked about it. I had this idea, and he and I concocted this idea that we are going to do hot potato Happy Mail. And what this is a package that arrives at a subscriber's house, and there are at least 5 items in here. And each item is valued at least $5. And the person that receives our items gets to choose 1 or 2 of these items for themselves. Then they replace those items with something that is a value of $5 or more and sends it on to one of their subscribers that leaves a comment on their video where they have opened up the hot potato Happy Mail. And in your videos, always put the hashtag hot potato Happy Mail so we can follow it to see where it is, and everybody can follow it and then go to that page and say, yes, I want to participate. Yes, I want the hot potato Happy Mail. Inside the package where the items are to choose that are sealed shut, leave them sealed. No, 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 you cannot open an outfit, put it on your doll, take a picture and put it back. Do not touch anything that you are not keeping. If you unseal the package, that's your package. Inside the package of the sealed package, you will see, like this one says, Rainbow High Shoe Soles from Dolls Rescue. Just point out who's participating. Pick up each item as you show it, what came in the Happy Mail. This is sealed and it says from Dolls Rescue. It is a doll pattern that can be used for Barbie or any of your fashion dolls, including Blythe. We have Poopsie Surprise shoe soles and a headband made especially for her. More Barbie. An 18-inch doll item, and then you know if it's coming from our house, there's always going to be a doll stand. And in this one, this is going to be for an LOL or the little LOL dolls or a miniature Blythe. And there's also a little outfit, a tiny, tiny outfit. Once this comes to you, choose 1 or 2 items, and then you replace those items. Choose someone from your subscribers to mail this on to. When you are contacted to become the recipient of the hot potato Happy Mail, immediately get ready. Get an item ready if you're taking 1. Get 2 items ready if you're taking 2 to replace. If you want to add more, great. It can be handcrafted or something you buy. It doesn't matter. It does have to be a $5 value or more. Inside the packet, there will be an envelope, and the envelope says Hot Potato Happy Mail. It also says, print your channel name for a shout out. That's the other thing I would love to do, is give everybody a shout out. This is how you can get a shout out. When this comes to your house, you open this up on film in a video and read the names inside. Please print. I have terrible handwriting. My printing's hard to read. Everybody can usually read printing. Anyway, my name is on here, Dolls Rescued, Marna and Darren. Put it right under there. I've left a lot of room on here so that names can be added. Let's keep this going. It's a way to interconnect. It's a way to have fun. It's a fun game, and somebody might get a Happy Mail that might not otherwise. It's a wonderful game. And guess what? This particular Happy Mail is going foreign. This one is going out of the USA. I'm making a point to get this out of the USA so that this can be going on, Hot Potato Happy Mail, all over the world. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave in the comments below, yes, I want to participate in Hot Potato Happy Mail. That's where we will choose our participants from, is in the comments. Just leave a note and we will contact you if you are the one chosen. Please subscribe. You must be a subscriber, and always leave likes. Thank you.